guys? It's Swerve. Today I'm going to talk about my Dank channel. If you don't already know, I have a second/Dank channel. And that channel is called Swervity Swerve. I have an amazing editor that edits some of my older videos and uploads them. Go follow him on Instagram at Swerve Memes because the memes are really funny and they just don't stop. Crap, I gotta make this video 3 minutes long. How do I do that? Oh. I'm going to the nursery home right now, so I'll be back. Right, guys, so I'm outside, so I can be pretty loud. I'm just heading to the car, and I'm going to the nursery home. I probably won't film there because, you know, that's mean. I am now in the car, and I can be as loud as I want. So, I'm back. Just got back from the nursery home, and they were very sweet people. Let me subscribe if you want a brand new cat. I'm just joking. No. I'm just joking. How can I make this video to 3 minutes long? I already did the clarinet. I mean, the recorder thing. Oh, I know. Nothing broke over here, folks. Nothing broke. Nothing broke, no. You ruined my life.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, not subscribe.
Subscribe today.
I don't really like her at all. Hey, it's 3 minutes long. Well, I guess if you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe, become a Swervy today, and I'll see you in the next video, please.
Ain't compromising, $500,000 on the coupe. Gang, drove the houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, crazy. I was overdue. I'm a do pink money. I can barely move.